Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Liz St. Louis and I'll be your instructor for Structure and Function this quarter. I wanted to share just a bit about myself so we can get a chance to start to know one another before class begins. I've been teaching at Rasmussen for just over 5 years. I've been teaching structure and function most of that time. I love this class. I'm a chiropractor by education. I practiced chiropractic before starting teaching. So I love the human body and can't wait to share all of amazing facts about the human body with each and every one of you. I live in Minnesota with my husband and my 3 school age kids. We spend our free time chasing after their activities and love to be able to watch them do what they enjoy doing. In my free time, I love to travel. I really enjoy running, and I also enjoy reading. Give me a good book, fiction, nonfiction, doesn't matter. I will stay up too late reading every single night of the week if given the opportunity to do so. So I can't wait to get to know each and every one of you. If you need anything at all, please know I am here to help. Share a bit about yourself. Tell me what brings you to Rasmussen, what program you're studying in, and who motivates you to pursue your education. So again, feel free to reach out with any questions. I look forward to meeting you.